Start na po tayo. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The 23rd special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan ng Supreme Española now called to order. So may I request everybody stand for our prayer and singing of national anthem.
Panginoong Jesus, sinabi mo, kung saan may dalawa o tatlong nakakatipon sa ngalan ko, kapiling nila ako. Panginoon, inihahandog namin sa iyo ang pagpupulong na ito. Gabayan mo kami sa aming pagtatalakayan at tanglawan mo ng liwanag ng Espiritu Santo.
Okay, Madam Secretary, please roll call the member of the Sangguniang.
Good afternoon to everyone. The attendance of the Sangguniang Bayan for today's special session, the Honorable Councilors Harmain, Chua, Jorda, Gatungay Jr., Bernardo, Sahibol, Tingson, Galang, Reyes, and our presiding officer, Honorable Marcito C. Acoy.
Present.
Mr. Presiding Officer, 5 members of the Sangguniang Bayan are present for today's special session.
So 5. So we have no quorum. So we have a recess for 30 minutes para maantay yung mga ibang grupo. Okay? Yung version. So, ayun sa ating secretary, ay ano tayo, quorum na, no? So, out of 10, mayroon ng 6. So, mayroon po tayong agenda. Business for the day, number 1. Draft resolution number 2025-355, authorizing the municipal mayor of Rafael Tisorio to enter into memorandum of agreement MOA with the Global Peace Foundation Philippines Incorporated in the implementation of all lights, village projects and the municipality of Supreme Española, Palawan. Sinong mag-sponsor? Ikaw? Ikaw na siguro?
Hello. Good afternoon po. Draft Resolution number 2025-355 authorizing the Municipal Mayor of Rafael Tisorio to enter into Memorandum of Agreement MOA with the Local Peace Foundation Philippines Incorporated in the implementation of all lights village project in the municipality of Sopronio, Española. Whereas Global Peace Foundation Philippines Incorporated, GPF Philippines, is a non-profit organization which promotes an innovative values-based approach to peace building that engages in global network of public and private sector partners who develop communities and ethical and cohesive societies. Whereas GPF Philippines implements the All Lights Village project, a community development initiative that is committed to fostering family self-reliance in the communities in which it works and in providing sustainable solutions for off-grid communities including but not limited to solar lighting, alternative learning system, capacity building, training and workshop, and livelihood programs. Whereas the municipal government of Sopronio Española is committed to enhance the welfare of its constituents by promoting sustainable development, improving access to basic services, and supporting community-driven initiatives. Now, therefore, upon motion of Councilor Blanc, duly seconded by Councilor Blanc, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to authorize the municipal mayor, Abner Rafael Tesorio, to enter into memorandum of agreement (MOA) with the local peace district Festival Philippines Incorporated in the implementation of All Lights Village project in the municipality of Sopronio, Española. Resolved finally that copies of this resolution be furnished to the office of the municipal mayor, the Global Peace Foundation Philippines Incorporated, the Municipal Operation Office of Sopronio, Española, and all concerned for their information and reference.
Any comment, correction regarding this draft resolution number 2025-355? Yes, Kagawad Galan, you are recognized.
Thank you po, Mr. Presiding. Wala kasi akong hawak na MOA, Mr. Presiding. Yun po ang although na-sent yata sa GC, hindi ko po nabasa. Pangalawa po dito, Mr. Presiding, yung Global Peace Foundation Philippines, sino ho ba nag-represent dito? Kasi parang ngayon ko lang narinig ito eh. Yun ang pangalawang tanong. Pangatlo po, yung saan ho ba ito dito sa Sopronio, Española? Parang hindi ko po nakikita, Mr. Presiding. Yan na po, Mr. Presiding. Saan ho ba dito yung All Lights Village project na to?
Okay,
Ano barangay?
Kagawad IBC, you are recognized.
Thank you very much po, Mr. President. Ito po ay sa Barangay Pulot Interior. Actually, nagsimula sila nung mga nakaraang buwan at nakalimutan ko rin kung sino talaga yung nagre-represent. Pero yung director po nila ay kasama namin sa Singcab. Ayan po, no? At paunang nagbigay na sila ng proyekto doon na solar street light na 10 piraso at I think 100 o 200 na solar power, house solar power doon sa Singcab. Kasi dalawa po yung napiling barangay yata sa Española niyan, yung doon sa Katutubo, bandang Abu-Abu or Isumbo. Pero ito po yung pilot area nila, yung sa Singcab, dahil ang hinahanap po ay mostly indigenous Katutubo. Opo, at naitayo na yung solar street light at papunta sila rito by April 1 for signing of MOA na mayroon uling, I think, million of projects na ibibigay doon sa school ng Singcab. Ito po yung Global Peace Foundation. Kaya po, hindi lang po ito nahabol nung Monday para doon sa MOA, pero wala po tayong nakikita ng MOA kung ano ang laman. Pero ito po ay nagsasaad lang ng commitment ng LGU, ng barangay at ng Global Peace Foundation para doon po sa project nila na ilulunsad sa Española sa Barangay Pulot Interior. Okay po, Mr. President.
Okay, so thank you. Kagawad Galan, mayroon pa?
Okay, thank you po, Mr. Presiding. Nakita ko po dito sa MOA. Yung beneficiaries po dito ay Sitio Singcab. Dito po sa MOA, pasensya kasi ngayon ko lang nabasa. At saka Sitio Sukit po, Mr. Presiding.
Sukid.
Sukit. Thank you po, Mr. Presiding. Malinaw po.
Okay, so wala na. Okay na ang lahat. Okay na move.
I move draft resolution number 2025-355 authorizing the municipal mayor, Abner Rafael Tesorio, to enter into memorandum of agreement MOA with the local Peace Foundation Philippines Incorporated in the implementation of All Lights Village project in the municipality of Sopronio, Española be adopted.
Kita swin mo, by seconded. No objection. Hearing none. Draft resolution number 2025-355 is approved for adoption.
Mr. Presiding, baka po mapagbigyan natin yung naka-refer po para sa akin ng Monday, first reading, yung request ng Barangay Pulotchor. Next week na po pala kasi ito, wala tayong session sa Lunes.
Anong request yun?
Yung tampor po nila para sa Hariraya. Pwede lang po ipasok or...
So, anong pleasure ng body? Okay lang? IBC?
Thank you po, Mr. President. Actually, hindi ito natakil nung nakaraang session na inaakalang magkaroon ng session by Monday. Kaso napagkasunduan ng honorable body na walang session by Monday at ito po ay gaganapin na sa 5 and 6. So, ni-request ako, I am in favor po to endorse this resolution kasi yun nga, kailangan na nila sa 5 and 6 parang magkakaroon ng special permit, kukuha sila ng special permit para sa okasyon na ito sa Tampor for 5 and 6.
Okay, so anong pleasure ng body? Walang totoo? So kung wala, sige, kanin mo.
Thank you po, Mr. President. Thank you po sa mga kasama po. I move resolution number 2025-356 granting the request of Barangay Pulutsur to hold and operate traditional cockfight Tampur on April 5 and 6, 2025 in connection with their Hari Raya Festival celebration be adopted.
It has been moved and seconded. No objection? Saying none. Draft resolution number 2025-356 is approved for adoption. Okay, so yes, Kagawad Galan.
Kung wala na pong iba, I move to adjourn our regular, special session.
Seconded.
Okay, it has been moved and seconded. No objection? Saying none. Our special session for today is hereby adjourned.